So here we're standing in front of our EC Series, our newest addition to our LED lineup. It's a flip chip CoB, so with that it's a very efficient product using a lot less power consumption than former SMD series, and also it has a cool to the touch, so it actually does not bring any heat into the room. With its black level of CoB, you also have great contrast, great black level, and with that also very vivid colors. Above 98% of Adobe RGB coverage, you have nice anti-reflection surface, and we also changed the ease of installation, fast installation with already existing hooks. You can just hook in to connect cabinets with each other and have alignment plates which actually stay in as a ring to connect neighboring cabinets to each other. We can then lower the installation time by 50%. Our EC series we do have in 4 different pixel pitches, starting with 0.9mm up to 1.8. So you can also now have in the Essential line very narrow pixel pitches and have also bundle solution, for example 162-inch with a UHD resolution. If you want to know more about the product, just visit our website.